Everyone has certain websites they can't live without. But what if you could access the website with a single click? Interested? Then watch the full video, as we are going to do just that. The first way is to create a desktop shortcut to a website to open with the default browser. To do that, open your preferred browser and the website of your choice. For the sake of video demonstration, we are taking Guiding Tech here. Once the website loads, hold and drag the lock icon next to the website address in the address bar. Next, drop it anywhere on the desktop. You'll now spot the website's shortcut on your desktop. Whenever you click the shortcut, it will open in the default browser. The next method involves creating a shortcut to open a URL in your preferred browser. Right-click a blank area of the desktop. Select New, and then Shortcut. For the location, type the path to the browser you wish to use, followed by the URL you wish to open. You can see the path in the lower third as well as in the video description below. Click Next, then enter the website name, and finally click on Finish. That's it. Lastly, you can also pin a website shortcut to the Windows taskbar via Microsoft Edge browser. Quite a handy location if you ask me. Here's how to do it. Launch Microsoft Edge on your Windows PC and open a website. Click on the three-dot icon at the top right corner and then click on More Tools. From the submenu, click on Pin to Taskbar. That's it. Now you can access the website directly from the taskbar. Hopefully these quick tips have helped you and now you have one-click access to your favorite websites. If you like this guide, consider subscribing to Guiding Tech for more tutorials related to your everyday technology. And make sure to check out one of these videos we think you might enjoy.